Hey guys, what is going on? It's Cameron here from Monster RC, and we're going on, I guess, the second video of, I guess, part 2 of me breaking down the Vekta. So today we're going to be tackling the back end. So the first thing I'm going to do is take off this rear axle. Holy crap. So I'm just going to undo this arm, I guess, lower trailing arm on both sides, the links, and then obviously the drive shaft will just pop out. That'll be the axle off. Then I'll probably take this whole unit, unbolt it from the bottom, so that'll come out. Then I'll have the front drive shaft, or the middle drive shaft out, and then we'll just start deconstructing the rear plates. So I'm just going to get the GoPro on, throw it in sped up time or whatever it's called, fast forward, and we'll get her done. So we'll get to it. Alright, so if you guys hear my roommate upstairs, he's playing some games and he's right above me, so yeah, but we got the rear end of the Vekta all apart. So now we can check all the gears, which I already did. Now look really good, teeth-wise, like nothing missing. So obviously I'm still going to go through this because I have that Team Fast Steady bearing kit right there, so I'm going to go through all the bearings for this. You're going to try to take apart every single screw, just completely rebuild it, make sure everything's good. I only had one issue with this one, that the screw was rusted in a bit. Pretty easy, just use my little handy dandy soldering iron torch mixture thing. Used my ratchet and was able to get her out, but yeah, so now I think I'm just going to continue taking apart the rear end by getting the links and just everything all apart. Just breaking this part down. I'm going to leave this as it is. Maybe I'll get the front and everything else lifted off the chassis plate, but for now we're just going to take this part, so we're going to get to that. Alright guys, again my roommate's being kinda loud, so hopefully y'all can't hear him, but anyway, so I got everything all torn off here. This is where I'm going to stop tonight. Getting kinda late and I do have to work in the morning. So we got the lower trailing arms over here, got the rear like shock post frame. I don't really know what to call this, but the rear of the buggy basically. Shocks, the links, this is the support where the body mounts. Obviously got the gearbox, the axle. So I'm gonna break all this stuff down, gonna clean it all, slap it all back together, and then leave it, take all this apart, do the same with it, put it all back together, and yeah. So anyways, I'll do all that stuff off camera, but anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.